Alright, we back. Got out that elliptical. Did some quick benching, curls, a couple all-around exercises as well. Gonna hurry and make this quick shake. Get this vibe pack up in me so we can go ahead, get dressed, get a shower, get to work. Have a good old productive day. I just wanted to get back to you guys, share with you guys on, I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm still here getting it in. I'm gonna keep on getting it in. 2 weeks. Tomorrow we make 2 weeks on the challenge. Total 14 days out of 90. So we're gonna be here. We don't quit. We don't stop early. We don't do none of that. You know, we're gonna keep pushing, keep motivating. And everybody that's on the challenge, we're gonna keep pushing you too. So all my new folks that just came on board, let's get it in, let's get it done. I'm here for support or whatever you need. Just reach out to me, I'm here for you. Like I said, we're gonna get this shake going real quick. You probably see me just pull out, here you go. My almond silk, look at that, 35 calories. Gonna keep it low. That's only because I don't have my vanilla flavor. It's all good though. It's at work. I probably had that one for after work or afternoon snack, or afternoon meal actually. And like I said, we're gonna get the shake going on here. See all the bags of shake mix. Got our bags of fruit. We're gonna throw just a few pieces of fruit of each one, give it a nice real flavor. Make it real good. And I'm sweating like crazy right now. Elliptical with this sauna suit on is no joke. So, other than that, I'm gonna whip out the shake. Wash this down. Oh yeah, gotta have my Vibe Pack vitamin pack. Remember, can't forget that. You gotta have that. Get your day going with everything. And your Vibe Trim, that right there, help curb your appetite so you're not feeling hungry all day. At least after you shake and then boom. Number 2 component, the Vibe Slim, the metabolism booster. I'll have that as well. So, about to get it in. You know, I'll reach out back out to you guys. Probably sometime later on this evening. Gonna jump back on, go get another workout in on the night. And then I'll see you guys. Again, you want to join the 90-day challenge for a better you? Go to www.the3month challenge, MONTH challenge.com. The 3monthchallenge.com. You can go there and get tips, support, questions. Email me. If you want to join the challenge, just click join challenge and then follow the steps on through. If you got any questions, give me a call. My number's on the site as well. So other than that, look forward to you having you guys on the challenge now. Looking for your results, as well as keep pushing you. You keep pushing me, and we'll do this thing together. Things happen better in groups and in numbers. So let's keep that attitude, and we'll all go to the top. The Vibe Life. See you guys later. Have a great day.